roller shot setup right here. Got one on the head, one on the back, one right there, one right here. Roller shot setup. It's crazy. Absolutely nutty. So cool. All right, let's take a look at some of these shots. The roller shots from this amazing setup. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Like this is the camera number 1, which is.
I love the shots when we're going through like that area that had like the hedges, the green hedges. Like this, the color difference looked really good.
This one is my favorite one, the lowest one.
Oh yeah, the low shot. Yeah.
You like it, you love it.
Oh yeah, I love that. That is sick. Yeah.
Ooh,
yeah. That looks good. That looks really good. Super mean. Wow.
Like this.
Yeah.
And usually pointing.
This one's one from the back.
Yes.
When I was getting in front of you and you were recording from the back. Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes I switch to the other side.
That's easier to have them kind of facing one particular direction, so you don't have to keep rotating them. Wow.
It's the Tokyo
Yeah,
Tower.
Tokyo Tower. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, looks good. Yeah. It's really good.
Okay. And also, yeah, from here, it's going up to the Rainbow Bridge.
Oh, Rainbow Bridge, yeah.
Going up and going down the Rainbow Bridge.
Yeah, no, it's cool.
Look at this.
Can't wait to get the edits on it. Oh, that's sick. That's super sick. I love all the background, the backdrop, and I always love like the bridges that have that, and like when the roads have that, like it just makes it look so Tokyo.
Tokyo. These are some of the. So I'm pointing to the. Yeah, your front.
Yeah. That's sweet.
Okay. And the last is the latest one.
Oh, that's the because you didn't have that before on the helmet, right?
Yeah.
Is it heavy holding it up there?
It's a little bit heavier than the GoPro.
Oh yeah, you had a GoPro before. Yeah.
It's like a 5 times heavier.
Oh yeah, gets your neck stronger.
I need your kind of.
Yeah, football neck. Oh yeah, I guess that higher view. That's cool.
Higher, and this is smoother because the body absorbed the vibration.
Yeah.
And this is Tokyo Tower.
Yeah.
Very clear.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to.
Yeah, so you gotta catch it at the right time.
Yeah, similar, but a little bit from the top,
Yeah.
so which you can see the background.
Yeah, that's cool.
Back scene, yeah. Okay, and also.
That's awesome. Yeah, that looks sick. That is cool right there. Love that green backdrop right there. That's super cool.
Yeah, sometimes stand up.
Yeah, you're saying, okay, that's why you're standing up. Okay, makes sense. Super fun getting the roller shots with Massey. Make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. It's FOTOSDEMASSY. Follow him on Instagram. Super cool guy. Does roller shots in Japan. If you ever come to Japan with your JDM car and you want to get roller shots, hit him up. He can do it, and he does it for a great price. Super cool guy. But anyways, that's done. It's on to the next thing for today. Check out the next video, which will come out in the next 7 days.